Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories. Once again with GTI. Today we're going to be replacing the clutch cable because that thing is a little bit worse for wear and yeah, it's a bit knackered. Broken off at the bottom there and all the sheathings all going for it. So yeah, let's do that. So the first thing you want to do is get underneath the car, then push up the clutch lever, pull out the retaining clip. Okay, and then the whole clutch, the arm, that releases the clutch cable at this end. Yeah, and then that clutch cable just pulls out. Let's give us more room now to get this off the pedal. Unclipping the clutch cable from the clutch pedal. So let's get out of the car and get down here. And the clutch pedal, clutch cable clips on to the top of the pedal up here. So now, with that loosened off, this just pulls forward and off. Right, so just give this a knock with a screwdriver and it'll go through. You should be able to pull that through now. Onto this off. There we go.
Oh, it does go through there. Yeah.
That just comes through here. And then put it out down here.
Might better get a thinner bloody thinner vacuum pipe. Look, I can't find any.
Oh, is that one you put on?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's no arm originally.
Let's just disconnect this vacuum pipe for a moment then.
Sorry?
How did you get this through here?
With a lot of difficulty.
Get this in the right place first, then we can get
That through first, yeah.
yeah. Okay. So here's our new connection. That just goes on. Where does it go on? That'll be at the top. Okay. That is on. Just push your clutch lever up. Get your rubber doodah on it. That should go through the hole on the lever. Bottom bracket. And then finally, this retaining doodah.
The way up.
Oh, thank you. There we go, and they all go together like that. And then you just need to readjust the cable on top. You just adjust it by turning this spinny, what's that called, Dad?
I haven't got a clue.
I haven't got a clue.
Top.
I'm a nut on top of it. Until we get almost down to the plate, but you want probably a little bit of... Do you want a little bit of play in it or not?
I'm not sure, you have to try it in the clutch.
Okay, just keep turning that.
You don't want it loose, do you?
No.
I don't think so, anyway.
You okay? Do you want me to do it?
No, you're alright. These things here now, in the way. No, back them wires. You moved it? Right, okay. And that one, yeah. That's about it, I think.
Okay, there we go. That's how you replace your clutch cable. Quite an easy job. Hopefully, next time you see us, we'll have the bumper on the car. We'll have some new panels we can get ready for some welding, which it needs doing at the back. But maybe we'll be doing something else, who knows. So anyway, until then, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video again soon. Don't forget to drop a like, click on subscribe if you're into this sort of thing. If you found it helpful, you can always buy us a coffee or a beer using the link in the description below. Don't forget there's 20% off e-manuals online using the code GS22MK2. See you again soon. Bye bye.